Hello, thank you for joining RasPipKr tutorials. I'm Martin Parker, and this is the first video showing you the basics on how to create your own graphical user interface or a GUI, create your own software. I'll put a link to about here-ish where you can install Python if you don't already have it. I have a little button here that brings up a shell. So I'm going to create a file and I'm going to save this on my desktop, and it's just going to be my Video1. If I click in the area, video1.py. Okay, so it's now created over here. I'm just going to drop that out. Right, so this is going to be my program. So how do you get to create a user interface? Now, Python comes with a standard Tkinter library, and we're going to be using that for the first part of these videos in this series, and then we'll move on to, say, custom Tkinter, which is a bit more nicer looking, and yeah, it all depends on how you want it to look, basically. But we're going to start with some basics. So first of all, you need to start by importing Tkinter. If you put that, I always do it as tk so that you can reference to that, and we're just going to create that instance first of all. You need to create an actual object, so we'll call this app or root, whichever, anything you want. You see a lot of videos with different what they call their variables, basically. So tk dot with a capital T and K, and that is it. It's basically that easy. It's really simple. And to keep this actually running on the screen, you need to do an app, or whatever you call yours, dot main loop, and that's it. You've created a window. So if I run this, save it, and that's it. It's very, very basic. That is a standard size, but we can change that and set up the size for that. So I'll just close that. So in here, you want to set your size of your window. So the basic size is that little square. So how you would do it is do app, or whatever you call yours, dot geometry, and you would set out the size of what you want. So you would put your width in a string, so it would be, say, 400 by 600 if you want it to be more upright, portrait sort of size. If I run this, and now we've got a set size on like that. If you want it to be square, set it to the size that you want it to be, run it. There we go. So we've got our straightforward basic window as a starting block. Now let's put in, it's very basic. As you can see here, we've just got the tk, which is the actual object that we're working with. So let's change the title. So we'll call app.title, and we'll set a title for this video, for this window. Now if we run it, now it's got a window set. So that is a very, very straightforward, quick and easy creation of your user interface. In the next video, I'm going to be adding labels to it, and then we'll progress on to adding to buttons and then make things happen when you click the button to change the label, etc. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.